Hey, this is Sean Hayden. You guys spoke with Darcy last week, and what we wanted to do is put together a custom video for you guys outlining 3 things that you can do, uh, improving content, citation, and backlinks, as well as go over some competition in the area and just give you guys some tips and tricks. So the number one thing is content. Google's looking for about 1,500 words or so of content on any given page to determine what the page is about, and also to find any keywords that people might be searching for to find that service. So appliance repair in Durham is a good example of what a keyword would be. So you want to make sure you have those keywords throughout your page and on each page that you're trying to land. HVAC in general is a high keyword search volume a month. So making sure you have that in here will help you guys out quite a bit. So appliance repair, looks like about 210 people search that in Durham a month. So there's quite a bit of work there if you guys wanted to tackle it. So of course you usually have the ads up at the top. So if you guys were short on work and needed to get something out quick, running some Google ads would help tremendously with that. Then you've got the map pack here. And in order to rank in the map pack, you need more citations than your competition. The citation is your name, address, and phone number and business URL being listed in a directory. A directory is something like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, basically anywhere someone can go get a list of businesses. And once you have more than your competition, you will make it up this map pack. If you don't have a Google Map or a Google Business page, I highly recommend getting one. That is basically what these are, Google Business pages. They're free. You can set them up. Just make sure you fill it out completely because you will get dinged if it's not completely filled out. But that will help you out a lot. The second biggest factor in ranking in the map pack here is ranking organically. And all that is ranking in the standard websites. So making sure you're doing what you need to rank here. So I got your competition pulled up here, appliance repair. They have a decent amount of content. You see how they're talking on each individual thing. This will help them out quite a bit. And one thing I just add is I'd make sure that you have the keyword that someone's searching for. Someone's not going to search for just ranges. They're going to be searching for, range repair or, stove repair, something like that. It'll be more specific and geared towards an area. They're not going to just, anyways. Adding good content with the right keywords in there is going to help you out tremendously. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks. It looks like you guys have some backlinks, which is great, and they tend to be decent quality. So a backlink is a link from one website to another. So if there's a news organization or a news station who left a review or writes an article about you guys and puts a link on their website to your website, that'd be one backlink, and the referring domain would be the website that it came from. So not all backlinks are the same, right? If you got one from a blog down the street and they're talking about something that's not relevant, like food, that's going to lower your trust rating here, which is the UR. And since it's not a very powerful site, you're not going to get a big impact from the domain rating. These are out of 100. The reason why you'd want to have a high powered and a high trust rating is because Google's going to want you to be found if everybody else wants to find you. So they're going to start crawling all the different links that are linked to your website, and all the content that's associated with that will then now be associated with your site. So the more popular you are with these, the better backlinks you have, the more Google's going to read your content and try to help you be found. So we take a look at your competition here. They are also doing backlinks, and they've got a slightly higher domain and trust rating. So if you were to add a little bit more higher quality links, that should overtake them in this regard. Making sure you add some quality content on your site to make sure you got those keywords in there, and adding citations to your Google business page, and or creating a Google business page and then adding citations. Well, that will help out tremendously when it comes to taking on more work. So if that's something you guys are interested in, I highly recommend taking steps to fulfill all those actions there, and that will help grow your business. Well, I hope you found this video informative. All we're looking for is some feedback on the video. If you don't mind giving us that, we'd really appreciate it. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.